Let's take a look at this multiple choice question about a really important part of the brain. Damage to the cerebellum would most likely interfere with which ability? A, regulating body temperature, B, buttoning a shirt, C, understanding spoken language, or D, remembering a list of words. Now, before I go over the answers, let's actually visualize where we can actually see the cerebellum on the brain. And for the AP exam, I actually think it's nice to think about the brain as kind of these three major structures. We'll start with the first one. The biggest structure is what we're going to call the cerebrum, okay? When we visualize the brain, we're thinking about the cerebrum, right? It's got two hemispheres, right? It's all wrinkled. This is where thought, emotions, and behavior and sensory information comes from, right? That would be number one. The second one is right underneath it, what we call the brainstem, right? This is where we'll find the medulla for breathing, our reticular activating system, RES for arousal and alertness, right? It's the bridge between the brain and the body. And then our main structure, right under the occipital lobe, right? This big structure right back here, that is our cerebellum, right? Sits right in the back of the brain. This is our cerebellum, and we're gonna think about kind of three functions, okay? One is balance and posture. Okay, balance posture. We also have coordination, right? I can use both my hands simultaneously. And we're also going to think about fine motor skills, right? So those are the main functions. Balance posture, coordination, and fine motor skills. So let's see if that helps us answer our question. All right, let's look at letter A, regulating body temperature. Now that's actually related to our hypothalamus. Think about a hypothalamus as regulating our body and returning it to homeostasis. So nothing to do with posture, balance, or fine motor skills. Let's look at letter C, understanding spoken language. Now that's related to our temporal lobe, more specifically our Wernicke's area. So we're gonna eliminate that one. And finally, looking at letter D, remembering a list of words. Now, memory is usually related to our hippocampus, also found within our temporal lobe. We're gonna eliminate that as well. Our answer and our best choice is going to be B, buttoning a shirt. Why? Because in order to button a shirt, I need a good coordination with both my hands. I need good fine motor skills, or else I'm not going to be really able to kind of undo those buttons, right? Other issues with my cerebellum might be walking, riding a bike, dancing, playing sports, anything involved in posture, balance,